Starting a career in digital marketing offers an exciting and rewarding path with diverse roles and growth potential. Whether you're new or considering a career change, this step-by-step guide will help you dive into the dynamic world of digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses specialties like SEO, content marketing, social media management, PPC advertising, email marketing, and analytics. Begin by exploring these areas to understand their purposes and how they integrate into broader strategies. Free online courses and reading materials can provide a good foundation. To thrive in digital marketing, you'll need a mix of creative and analytical skills. Essential abilities include keyword research, data analysis, content creation, social media management, and ad management. Utilize free resources like Google's Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, and LinkedIn Learning to build these skills. Hands-on experience is highly valued by employers, even if it's through personal projects. Starting a blog, launching a social media profile, or running ad campaigns are excellent ways to gain practical knowledge. Experiment with content creation and audience engagement to enhance your skills. A well-crafted portfolio can significantly boost your job prospects. Showcase real-life campaigns, blogs, or social media profiles you've managed. Use LinkedIn to connect with industry professionals, join groups, and share insights to build your credibility. Certifications can enhance your credibility and distinguish you in job hunting. Consider recognized certifications such as Google Analytics, Facebook Blueprint, and HubSpot's inbound marketing. Focus on those relevant to your interests to enhance your job prospects. The digital marketing field evolves rapidly, with new platforms and tools emerging regularly. Stay updated by following industry blogs and thought leaders. Subscribing to newsletters or listening to podcasts from sources like Moz and Neil Patel ensures you remain informed on trends. With foundational knowledge and experience, start applying for internships or entry-level positions like digital marketing assistant or social media coordinator. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight relevant skills and personal projects to stand out. Networking is crucial in digital marketing for job referrals, mentorship, and insider knowledge. Engage with online communities on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Reddit, and consider attending events or webinars. Professionals are often open to sharing insights and opportunities. Continuous learning is essential in digital marketing. As you gain experience, consider specializing in areas that align with your strengths, such as content marketing, PPC, or data analytics. Keep experimenting with advanced tools to tackle new challenges. By combining foundational skills, hands-on experience, and proactive learning, you can successfully launch a digital marketing career. Follow these steps to navigate the dynamic industry and seize opportunities in this fast-growing field. Starting your journey in digital marketing is incredibly rewarding. Equip yourself with the right combination of skills and knowledge to thrive. Embrace the endless possibilities and stay adaptable to advance in your career, one step at a time. Digital marketing offers a vast landscape with roles that can cater to various interests and strengths. Use your creativity and analytical prowess to carve out a niche in this exciting field and watch your career flourish. Remember, every project and learning experience adds to your expertise. Keep pushing boundaries, seek feedback, and never stop learning. This approach will ensure you remain relevant and valuable in the ever-evolving digital marketing world. Opportunities in digital marketing are abundant and diverse. By staying committed to growth and innovation, you can build a fulfilling career that not only meets your professional aspirations but also impacts the digital landscape significantly. Embark on your digital marketing journey with confidence. The industry's potential is limitless, and with dedication and the right mindset, you can achieve remarkable success and make a lasting impact in the digital world.